Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming backups and account access so you won't lose data. First, open Settings right arrow accounts and backup and run a manual backup to Google Drive or Samsung Cloud. Once done, sign out of any work or corporate profiles and remove the SD card so content stays safe. Make sure the battery is at least 50% and the phone is on Wi-Fi. Now navigate to Settings right arrow General Management to start the factory data reset process. Now perform the reset. Tap Settings, General Management, Reset, then Factory Data Reset. You'll see a list of accounts and apps that will be erased. Read it to confirm. Tap Reset, then enter your PIN, pattern, or password to authorize. The phone will warn about factory reset protection. This prevents unauthorized reuse. If you used a Google or Samsung account, make sure those credentials are available after the reboot. Finally, accept and let the device reboot into the wipe sequence. After the wipe completes, the phone restarts and shows the initial setup screens. Follow prompts, sign into the same Google and Samsung accounts to avoid FRP lock, and restore your backups. If the phone is stuck in a boot loop or won't boot to setup, power off, then hold volume up plus power plus Bixby or volume up plus power on newer models to enter recovery mode and choose wipe cache partition, then reboot. Repeat factory reset there if needed. If FRP prevents setup, use the original account or seek.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.